Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We put about 2 to the power of 5 and 2 to the power of 5 on numerator and denominator. So this one I can put into 2x to the power of 5. This one over this one we can put like this. Next, we can put the limit going here. Next, we consider about this one. So we have the formula in here. This one you got number 1. So the value of this one equals to number 1. And now we have the final answer. So we have number 8. This is the end. Thank you for watching.